Students, welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions of Chemistry 2014 JEE Advanced Paper 2. The paper code which we are using is 8. The chemistry paper has 3 sections. Let us start with section 1. Section 1 has 10 questions and all of them have 4 options given. And out of the 4 given options, only one of the given options is correct. Okay students, let us look at question number 10. Question number 10 is a conceptual question from organic chemistry. It says that the acidic hydrolysis of ether shown below is fastest when, and then we have been given some options out of which one is correct. We have to select one of them. Now, in order to be able to answer this question, the first thing which all of you must know is that how exactly does the hydrolysis of an ether proceed? Or rather, what is the mechanism for hydrolysis of ether? Now what happens in acidic hydrolysis of ether is that since the medium is acidic, there is H plus in the medium, okay, and this H plus is necessary because in the presence of acidic medium, this O gets protonated, that is, it donates its lone pair to H plus and it gets protonated, and on being protonated, it becomes a good leaving group. So when it becomes a good leaving group, this bond can cleave from here, and what we will get is a carbocation, that is C with 3 pH rings attached to it, 3 phenyl groups, 3 pH rings, whatever you want to call them, attached to it, and this will be a very stable carbocation due to the resonance which is taking place, okay, and plus we will get a ROH. Fine. Now this is how the hydrolysis of ester will proceed. Then there will be water. That water can further attack, okay, we have H2O, 2 lone pairs, 1 lone pair can attack on this electron deficient carbocation. There will be minus H plus, and as a result of this you will get your required product, which I am writing as P. So this big structure which has been drawn over here, this will be your P, okay. Now the RDS for this particular step is always the carbocation formation, and the factor which leads to the maximum stabilization of the carbocation is going to increase the rate of the reaction. Now let us look at the options one by one. One phenyl group is replaced by a methyl group. Now obviously this is not a suitable answer, because if we replace a phenyl by a methyl, we are replacing a group of plus M by plus H. So the electron donating capabilities of methyl are much less as compared to that of phenyl. So A is not going to be my answer. Let us look at B. One phenyl group is replaced by a para-methoxyphenyl group. It says that we replace one of these phenyl groups by a para-methoxy, that is OCH3 group, okay. So clearly this is going to be a much more stabilizing group because it has a stronger plus M. So B looks like a reasonably good option. Let us look at C. C says 2 phenyl groups are replaced by 2 para-methoxy phenyl groups. So what we were doing in case of one phenyl group, now we are doing for 2 phenyl groups, that is we are replacing 2 of the phenyls with 2 para-methoxy phenols, and indeed says no structural change. So clearly out of B and C, C is clearly a favorable answer because 2 phenyl groups would lead to a much more higher stabilization of the carbocation, and this would increase the rate of the reaction. Thank you.